दोबारा we'll have to take the tax, and then taxed. Yes or not? और इससे क्या हुआ? Hindu priest and then group of this Muslim priest, they have gone against what? Britishers, and that has led to the what I said, that resentment, and this resentment, yes, tell me, resulted into got it? So which cause we have seen? Economic. Clear हो गया? And हमने बोला you are a economic person. U means unemployment, R means resumption of tax-free land, A means agrarian policy, E means economic exploitation. Is it clear? और इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन के लिए कई बार मैंने बोला वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1757 and 1764 Battle of Plassey and yes or not? So we have finished with which cause? Economic cause. And the next one, that it is, I said that political cause. And in the political cause, I said Sri मान ने पादा क्या किया? क्या किया? Yes, I said S for some political events, yes, and R for racial arrogance and discrimination, I for imperialist policy, S for some political events, R for, ये याद हो जाना चाहिए, S for some political events, R for racial arrogance. आपको पता है वो क्या बोलते थे ब्रिटिशर्स हम इंडियंस को? निगर एंड स्वाइन. यू निगर स्वाइन, मतलब मुझे सारा वो क्या बोलते हैं, सुअर कुत्ता सब बना दो. आई सेड, हमने क्या बोला? आई सेड द some political events, racial arrogance and discrimination, and then I for imperialist policy, P for political corruption, A for alien rules, and D for, I said that, discontent among Indian rulers. Is it clear? याद हो गया? S for some political events, yes or no? S for some R for racial arrogance and, और ये क्या बोलते थे हमें? वही लिख के आना, सुअर, निगर एंड स्वाइन. क्या बोलते थे? NIGGER and SWIN. And I for imperialist, P for political corruption, A for and D for discontent among Indian rulers. Is it okay? So the first क्या है हमारा? Imperialist, पॉलिसी सुने। और ये इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी में आपको इंपीरियलिज्म का डेफिनेशन भी समझा दिया था, यस ना? पर एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट व्हाट इज इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी? अरे अभी जो इंडस्ट्री रॉ मटेरियल ये सारा समझाया, व्हाट इज दिस इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी? यस ना? व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंपीरियलिज्म? यही बोलता ही है, एक्सप्लॉइटेशन ऑफ, आई सेड दैट, फॉर द बेनिफिट और प्रॉफिट ऑफ मदर कंट्री, यस ना? सो आई सेड imperialist policy समझा चुका हूं मैं. And another one I said that, which one I said? क्या था? Political corruption. यदि मैं political corruption की बात करूं, the one there is, and I said that petty officials. Who I said? पेटी ऑफिशियल्स, जो कि पुलिस वाले जो होते थे ना, यस, आज भी वो है। और किसका एक्सप्लॉइटेशन होता है? लोअर क्लास एंड मिडिल क्लास का। किसका होता है? सो पेटी ऑफिशियल, दे यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लॉइट हु? पेटी ऑफिशियल यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लॉइट हु? यस है ना? हु? lower and middle class family, yes or not? Lower and middle class family. और सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन की, yes or not? सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन किसकी होती है? lower and this lower and middle class family is the major, I said that one of the major chunk of portions, and they started showing their resentment against the what? Britishers. Yes or not? They start showing their what I said? So these lower and which one? Middle large population started showing their resentment against whom? Britishers. So this way we can be able to see which one? Political corruption. Getting my point? So there is, and I said that corruption was there, therefore I said that somewhere because of that corruption, I said Indians are not happy. Yes or not? And then दबाव एक फील होता था, जब आज भी हम पुलिस को लेकर, आज भी हम एक प्रकार का क्या फील करते हैं? दबाव. So which are the two topics we have seen? Imperialist policy, and then one it is political corruption. Alien rule. You know that since centuries in India, who can? Not so many different racial people invaded in India, and they become the part of India, and they become Indianized. And Britishers came to India, but they never become the part of India. They always become alien. They never adopted the culture of India. Yes or not? Tradition of India. So that they remain, what I said, that their political aspect is only exploitation. So they remain alienated. Yes or not? They remain alienated from the Indianization. So I said, the next factor I said is, tell me, alien rule. Can you remember in your mind? क्या alien rule is also एक हमारे attachment को कहीं न कहीं detachment की ओर ले जाता है? Yes or not? And detachment means, I said that they will consider themselves to be the superior and us to be what? Inferior. Indians are inferior and they are superior. Yes or not? So I said that alien rule, I said that since centuries, who came to India? Several invaders, and belongs to different racial, but they adapted Indianization. Yes or not? Means our culture plus our tradition. But Britishers never, yes or not? Never Indianized. Never. Why? They consider Miss Britishers are superior and Indians are inferiors. Is it clear? Inferiors means they consider and they used to say Indians to be what I said that nigger and swine. Indians को क्या बोलते थे? Yes, tell me. What they used to say? Nigger and swine. Is it okay? So Indians are, I said that because of that Indian people created what? This kind of political situation created by whom? Their administration. Yes or not? So this way we have started creating what? Resentment against British East India Company. हमें यही देखना है कि क्या ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के अगेंस्ट में कैसे कैसे रिसेंटमेंट हो रहा है. सो कौन कौन सा देखा हमने? फर्स्ट एम्पेरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी देखा जो कि हम लोगों ने देख ही रखा था. यस और नॉट? एम्पेरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी मीन्स व्हाट? आई सेड दैट हमें एक्सप्लॉइट करना है और अपने देश में क्या करना है? बेनिफिट के लिए. यस सर? रॉ मटेरियल यहाँ से एंड देन ड्रेनिंग देयर फिनिश्ड गुड. So they are making us market and they are and making colonial country to be the what? Source of raw material. Is it clear? So the next point that we are going to see, like I said, that discontent among Indian rulers. I said annexation of Awadh, Jhansi, नागपुर, उड़ीसा में what I said, संबलपुर, there it is Jaipur, here it is Tanjore, I said Satara, Mysore, several. What I said that? So, as it is, I said that subsidiary alliance and thereafter coming of what I said that? Annexation, doctrine of lapse. उसके बाद several reason has been what I said that annexed. ये कम बता रहा हूँ इससे ज़्यादा भी. I said that Awadh, that is I said that Jhansi, thereafter Nagpur, Sambalpur, which one I said? Jaipur, Jodhpur, Tanjore, Mysore, Satara. Yes or not? So when it has been annexed, और किस basis पे annexed किया गया था? Yes, tell me. First it is subsidiary alliance and thereafter what? So these rulers will be happy or they will be discontented? Yes or not? So discontent among what I said that? Indian rulers. Is it clear? Discontent among, yes or not? और अभी हम लोगों ने बताया था, जब मैं एलियन रूल समझा रहा था, तो दैट टाइम आई हैव ऑल्सो शोन यू क्या दिखाया था आपको? यस टेल मी। रेशियल एरोगेंस दिखाया था आपको, यस और नॉट, एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, यस और नॉट, यू हैव सीन दैट। अरे क्या बोलते थे हमें इंडियंस को? निगर एंड स्वाइन। And at the same time, हमारे elite class people, when they are standing in front of the Britishers, they are shaking by bowing their head. This is the situation of our elite class. Yes or not? This is I am talking about. This is the racial discrimination is also there, because हम लोगों ने भी समझ लिया था कि हम लोग क्या हैं, उनके लिए जानवर के इक्वल। We have adapted, acclimatized in our mind that we are nothing in front of them. If the elite class people, if they are, suppose करने की जरूरत है। अभी भी मैंने बोला हम किसकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं? यस, ब्रिटिश प्लस यूरोपियन, जिन्होंने जो लिखा उस समय का वो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं। यस और नो? So what they have said that Indians, or I said that in front of them, what the language that they are utilizing? What the language? Nigger and swine. And then we have been able to, I said that, not able to stand in front of the Britishers. Yes or not? Black, white, these are the differences. They are superior, we are inferior. So which are the factors which is related to social? I said that, क्या मैंने बोला? Yes, क्या बोला मैंने? इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी याद हो गया। मेन चीज, यदि प्री में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है तो इतने चीजें लर्न कर लें तो दिमाग में स्टोर हो जाए। ओके, इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द कॉज। यस और नॉट? और ये आपको रटने से नहीं होगा, समझने से ही होगा। इंपीरियलिस्ट पॉलिसी अंडरस्टूड इट? यस और नॉट? उसके बाद हमने क्या बोला? पॉलिटिकल करप्शन। एंड हु इज इन्वॉल्व इन द पॉलिटिकल करप्शन? ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स। यस और नॉट? What they have considered ourselves, they always are alien since centuries, several comes, but they become the part of India, Indianization, but they are not. Apart thereafter, we have been able to see, yes, tell me, discontent among Indian rulers because of the, I said that, annexation of the, I said, several states as per the subsidiary alliance, and which one? Doctrine of lapse, that has resulted into what is said, discontent among इंडियन रूलर्स। यस है ना? और आपको शायद ये नहीं पता है कि इंडियन रूलर्स वो भी होते थे। एक समय कहा जाता था, जब थोड़ा सा मेन सोर्स पे और भी होता था, कि ऐसा कहा जाता था कि जिसको हम भगवान मानते थे वो भी ब्रिटिशर्स के सामने डरते थे। द रूलर्स, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग द रिस्पेक्ट दोज वी इंडियन कंसिडर देम एज अ गॉड। यस है ना? इन आवर इंडिया द रूलर्स आर एज अ गॉड, and those rulers are, I said that, what? Not getting due respect from the Britishers. This is the situation. This is a kind of discrimination. So we can be able to see, like I said, that discontent among Indian rulers and the racial arrogance, and I said that, what? Discrimination. As far as the political events. So political events देखा जाए तो कई ऐसी चीज़ें हैं कि ओवर द पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स क्या क्या हो सकता है आपके अनुसार से? जस्ट टेल मी। पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स, विच कैन बी द पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स? लिसन मी। हाँ, 1839, मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, 1839, 1842। व्हाट आई सेड दैट? 1839, 1842, and thereafter 1855, 1856. Which are the two things I said that? 1839, 1842 and 1855, 56. 1839, 1842, this is the first Anglo-Afghan war. Listen me carefully. This is the first. And 1855, 56 में Britishers have been fought the Crimean War. जहां पे टर्की को कौन सपोर्ट कर रहा था? Who has been supporting Turkey? टर्की को ब्रिटिश, फ्रांस, इटली अगेंस्ट द रशिया। टर्की को कौन सपोर्ट कर रहा था? टेल मी।